For client-side types of firms, you've got to advocate and brace for a move to a chief analytics officer organization. Yes, advocate, but I mean sincerely brace for it. It's not easy. It's pushing the rock uphill. It's pushing a giant rock uphill in most organizations. You got to understand that the consumption of big data solutions, it's not the same. It's harder than consuming small data solutions, if you will. And sure, you're going to ask companies like mine and others to provide them the same way you used to get your stuff. But if you're going to really make sense of it, it doesn't work that way. It answers different questions, and it answers them very, very differently. So you've got to brace yourself to consume big data solutions. You've got to partner with academia to drive innovation. I mentioned this a little bit earlier, but if you want talent to come out to drive your business forward, you got to work with academia, find ways. It's tough. Certainly don't have a prescription for it with respect to privacy, but you've got to find ways to partner with academia, and if you do that, you can innovate. And you got to allow analytical talent to flow through. It's not just bringing in some analysts and maybe moving somebody up to the director level of analytics. That has to permeate throughout the organization. It's got to move to middle and upper management, and again, arguably all the way up to the C-level. And I don't care if you call it a chief analytics officer or not. It doesn't really matter to me, but that talent has to be driven all the way to the top, or you're not going to get, truthfully, the dollars and the organizational change to realize the value of